Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Vedika Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute shape fridge magnet. So it's so cute. So it's a cooled magnet. So let's get started with the procedure. So for this you need mixed media modeling paste, paintbrush, white color sheet, mount board, some acrylic shades, magnet, a small magnet, cutter and quilling strips. So first I've cut out this cutting board. So I have cut this on a mount board and I've punched a hole over here using punching machine. So I'm taking mixed media modeling paste and paintbrush and some amount of water, and I will add this mixed media modeling paste on this chopping board. So let's add it. You can also use ceramic powder if you don't have this. To use ceramic powder, you should use white glue, because you only keep powder and you have to make the paste using only glue. Don't use water if you are using ceramic powder. Add it properly. Don't add it less, so our texture will not come. So I'm making a wooden texture on this now. Like this. Now take your cutter, or you can take any pointed thing, and give a wooden like texture. So see the beautiful texture. Now I'm taking this piece. So I have joined total 5 pieces of mount board and made this, and so I'm adding this over here. So I'm adding this because the shape will sit on this and also give the texture on this. Now let it dry completely. Now I will show you how to make the shape. So for that I am using 2 strips of white color 3 mm and making a tight coil. So I'm making the hand. Add glue at the end and stick it using glue. Now I'm taking a pencil and making a cone like shape. Like this. And at the end stick a black color quilling strip. So it will look like this, and then add glue inside this and spread it using brush. And for the palm, use half strip of skin color 3mm and make a teardrop shape and add it inside this. The hand will be ready. Like this you have to make one more hand. Then to make the legs, take 3 strips of dark blue color 3mm and make same cone shape, and for the shoe take same tight coil of black color and add it inside that. So you have to make 2 legs like that. So now I will start to make the chef's hat. So for that I am taking 2 strips of white color 3mm and I am taking a Fevicol bottle and I am rolling it over here. Now add glue and attach the ring. Now remove it. So it will look like this. And now open this ring little bit. So it will look like this, and now add glue inside this. And so it will look like this. In the similar way, make small wing. So the hat is also ready. So now I have completed the chef. So for the face you have to use 6 strips of skin color 3mm, and for the hair use 6 strips of brown color 3mm, and for the body use 10 strips of white color 3mm. So for the ears I have used half strip of skin color 3mm. For the nose I have used 1 strip of skin color 3mm, and for the mustache use half strip of brown color 3mm and make a teardrop shape, and like this you have to make 2. And for the eyes I have drawn circle on white color sheet and colored black color in between, and I have colored the cutting board with black color first, and I have added red color in between, and afterwards I have added golden color, and at the last add a magnet at the back side. So I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.